Is nagging shoulder pain making everyday movements a struggle? Whether it's from poor posture, overuse, an old injury, or even nerve irritation, shoulder pain can limit your mobility and make simple tasks feel impossible. But what's causing it? It could be muscle strain, joint dysfunction, or even misalignment in your spine, putting extra stress on your shoulder. So what are your options? You could try to ignore it, but that usually leads to more stiffness and discomfort. Medications might offer temporary relief, but they don't fix the root cause. And while surgery is an option, it's invasive, comes with risks, and should always be a last resort. Looking for a natural way to ease your shoulder pain? Chiropractic care can help. By improving spinal and joint alignment, reducing inflammation, and restoring mobility, we address the source of your pain without relying on medication or surgery. Why wait? Get back to moving pain-free. Start your journey to relief today.